Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. It is Advent season. Advent is celebrated on 4 consecutive Sundays beginning on the Sunday closest to November 30 and ending on December 24th, the Christmas Eve. The 4 Sundays are represented by the 4 candles in an Advent wreath. My friends and I are making our own Advent wreaths, and in the later part of this video, you will see the snowy 4th Sunday of Advent here in Germany. We are in Depot, my favorite shop in terms of crafts and decorations. We are going to look for materials to be used for our Advent wreaths. We are looking for green candles because that's what Eric wants to have this year. This is a nice green. There's also a dark green. And up here, so now I'm trying to find what I'm gonna choose. There are also other greens, but I think I don't like the color. Additional materials, but these are all plastic. So either I need a silver like this. Also not a bad idea where we could put the candles. This is another candle, but you cannot change the position, it's fixed. I think the other one is better. Design with white and gold and green. That looks good. These also are nice, but I think I have this already. Look at this, made of kawayan, made of bamboo. How did they do it? It's a very nice idea. These are the greens that we could use for the wreaths. I prefer to use these fresh ones than the plastic. Different kinds of leaves. And here are the ready-made wreaths that you could buy. We are now driving to my friend's house where we meet and make our Advent wreaths together. So these are our materials, my rectangular board, my green ergin vase, something like where you put the greens to put them on hold. I have green candles in 2 different sizes because Eric wants to have green. And we have some ribbons. Middaheim has a very good collection of decoration.
Dried flowers.
And we have fresh greens, and we have combination of fresh and dried materials. Here is mommy number 3 with all her materials. 3 mommies in action.
Sus, murag wala pa na.
Ay, nice sad ng imong kuan. Nice imong candle ba? Kini si Old Rose, Janet,
Yeah.
red.
Si Old Rose.
Because I'm gonna make a rectangular wreath, I have this wooden base. And this is the material that I'm gonna use to put the greens. I have this candle holders that I bought yesterday. Manheim. Sa Müller, rin ako nakita. Ay, that's my base.
Ang teknologi ko.
Ay, sus. Sok lang.
O, kana. Sige. I-arrange ko sa usan mo pilit.
Ako rin ihatag niyo magbalik dyan.
No problem.
Nangunga
Tanaw ko sa'yo mapilit.
nangahoy na.
Para ura siya drastic tanawon dyan.
Anak lang, dili na siya flashy.
Dili siya flashy din na.
Well, this is Midaheim. Very creative. Love the color. Yes, it's mine. Greens. Beautiful decors from Midaheim. Winter door.
Winter door.
It's a winter village concept. Beautiful. I think we have done a very good job and it's time for a treat. So we have here Hokkaido pumpkin soup with coconut milk and the perfect match, the low carb bread. And it's time for our well-deserved dessert and coffee. Midaheim has baked this very delicious vegan chocolate tart. Guys, please check Midaheim's YouTube channel. It's first Sunday of Advent. I'm just doing the final touch for my Advent wreath before lighting the first candle. Each one of these candles represent each Sunday of Advent, which has a traditional meaning and prayers attached to it. They represent in order the Christian virtues of love, joy, hope, and peace. Three, four. Wow, it's early morning. It's snowing. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today is the fourth Sunday of Advent, and it's been a long time. We didn't have this cold temperature below zero. We always had mild temperature, except this week it's really cold for us, and well, it's a change, and I like it to be out here. It's cold, but it's so nice, and yes, I hope it's gonna be milder in the next coming days, but we will see. It's also nice to experience this kind of temperature, especially when we're going around the Christmas market. Also, see you. During Advent season here in Germany, it is also a family tradition to bake Christmas cookies. And to know more of the Advent and Christmas traditions here in Germany, you can watch my previous videos. Find the link in the description box. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And please help me grow my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so you will be notified each time I have a new video on my channel. I am looking forward to see you in my next video. Bye!